rejected affection for years and years. Now I have it, and damn it, it's kind of weird. He tells me
I miss that voice.
pretty, don't know how.
Thanks, clown.
I tell him that he's pretty too. Can I say that? Don't have a clue. With every passing moment, I surprised myself. I'm scared of flies, I'm scared of guys. Someone please help. 'Cause I think I've fallen in love this time. I blinked and suddenly I had a Valentine. What if he's the last one I kiss? What if he's the only one I'll ever miss? Maybe I should run, I'm only 21. I don't even know who I want to become. I've lost all control of my heartbeat now. Got caught in a romance with him somehow. I still feel shock through every bone when I hear an I love you, 'cause now I've got someone to lose. The first one to ever like me back.
Yo, director, you ain't funny, bro. You ain't funny, bro. I see that.
How the hell did I fall in love?
I gotta lock in. I gotta lock in.
Honestly, I can't believe I want to call you mine. I blinked and suddenly
I can't finish this, bro. What happened?
Dude, that was so good.
No, it's so funny. No, I saw the funniest shit. Everyone's hyping him up, and all of a sudden someone's like, dude, no one's gonna select this guy for America's Got Talent. And I just lost my shit and showed that on screen like his parents.